to change this world. You need the heart of a lion to change this world. You need the faith of a child. Don't you know you need to touch 1 billion people to get your message heard and change this world? To be a hero, you gotta tangle with danger, holding on to nature and never letting go. Don't you know you need to stand and shout out loud to make your message heard, to change this world? And all at once, voices from the wilderness will be calling out your name. Now whereupon those voices fill my heart to change this world. Crikey, what an adventure to change this world, make a better place. Don't you know we need to touch 1 billion people and make your message heard, to change this world?